What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I just want to say shout out to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Our channel is growing fast. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that sub button, man. We got the realest channel. I'm going to keep it the realest with y'all. I'm going to be honest with y'all. And I'm going to show you guys the real journey, my real journey, not just the good, but the bad and the ugly also. Um, so yeah, let's jump straight into the video. I'm just going to show you guys where my account is out this month, where I'm at. So let's look at this. So right now I'm almost touching 300 items. I really sold 316 items this month. It looks like, wait, 316, 320, 325, 326, right? But I've been getting a shit ton of returns. I'm not gonna lie, I've been kind of discouraged this week. I've been getting a lot of returns, and I haven't really been working on my account. It's been the holidays, Christmas was my birthday, and Christmas with my family also. And right now in Seattle where I live, I'm snowed in. So I guess I'll be making a bunch of videos for you guys because I don't got shit else to do. I'm not driving in this snow. We got about 5-6 inches. It looks crazy. So I'm going to just chill out and make some videos for you guys. But like I said, it's been kind of discouraging. I think I have 28 fucking returns this month. Last month I only had 8, you know. But I guess that's what's supposed to happen right now, because that's what happened to me last year. But it's always discouraging, you log onto your account and then you have that wah 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 sound. That shit is the most discouraging sound ever. I have to turn that shit off. But I'm getting a lot of returns because some people didn't get their shirts before Christmas. COVID is been getting worse, so a lot of people are not going to the Christmas parties, or some people buy the shirt, wear it once, return it. Amazon's return policy. It's just a bunch of stuff. It happened to me last year, so I don't know why I'm so discouraged about it. But anytime we're not doing good, we feel some type of way. But it's okay. I have 1,000 plus designs that I could fill up, so I shouldn't be discouraged. I just got teared up not too long ago, so I just gotta lace up my boots and get to work. But it's just like every sale that I get this month, 2 return, followed by 2 returns. So look at this. My beginning of my month, it's just woo. It's like, oh, I'm not buying shit. I'm not buying shit. So I guess the pattern is about the same from last year. It's just I'm just sold a lot way more, so I'm getting a lot more returns. So this is the discouraging part about it, but I have a lot of designs to fill, like I said, so I'm just gonna get to work, and I'm not gonna complain. But I'm just letting you guys see like these numbers and what's happening to me. I feel like Amazon is going to change a lot more this year. I feel like they might be adding products. They're doing something, man. They're doing something. I'm just showing you guys this. I'll show you guys this other view too. Look at this. Terrible numbers. Terrible. But it's okay. It's okay. Look at this. I have about 1,000 designs that I need to fill, and I'm not done even deleting stuff that that is old and that isn't selling. But I might leave it there till I fill up my designs, just in case something sells, and then I'll start deleting. So I think that's how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I just need to get out of my feeling some type of way. Oh, I actually have a sale in Spain today. That's one thing I'm really trying to focus on this month is doing evergreen designs that sell in other countries, because a lot of the niches I'm in are not, like, it wouldn't make sense to be in another country. Um, I want to make an example without giving out one of my niches. Let's see. Well, actually, I'll give out one because I'm not really selling in that one, so I'm just gonna move on. So, um, like a 911 operator, right? I wouldn't fucking put that in different countries if in different countries it's not 911 for their emergency line, which I really don't know what it is, but just giving you an example. So I'm just trying to do some niches that are that would exist in other countries, like different evergreens, job titles, because no matter what country you're in, there's those job titles. There's the nurses, there's the teachers, there's the scientists, so I'm trying to focus on niches that I can sell in other countries, because one thing I do notice is the people that are really doing it big on merch, they're selling really good in other countries. So I just want to, build on some niches that I can actually start selling in other countries, because I'm doing too many niches that I can't sell in other countries. And that was just an example of one that wouldn't matter in another country. So yeah, that's the game plan. I'm just showing you guys this. You guys can get a good look at this, screenshot it if you want to. This is just what's going on in my account. And man, if you guys have any topics or different things you guys want me to talk about, put it in the comment section. I'm literally snowed in this week, and I'm not driving in this shit, so I only have time to make stuff for you guys. So please give me some suggestions. I'll make sure I make it for you guys. And man, make sure you guys hit that sub button, kill the comment section, let me know feedback, and till next time.